Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello, food lovers. Today, we're diving into the heart of Filipino cuisine with a classic dish called dinuguan. It's a rich, savory stew, sometimes known as pork blood stew, and it's absolutely delicious, offering a truly unique flavor profile. This dish is a staple in many Filipino households, especially cherished for its comforting warmth. We'll walk you through each simple step, helping you create this amazing meal right in your own kitchen. Let's gather our ingredients for this hearty stew. The stars of the show are definitely the pork, typically shoulder or belly, cut into bite-sized pieces, and of course, fresh pork blood. We'll also need some essential aromatics, plenty of garlic, finely chopped onions, and a touch of ginger for warmth. Don't forget the vinegar. It's vital for that distinctive tangy kick that truly defines dinuguan. This combination creates such a deeply satisfying base. Now for the cooking. Start by sautéing your pork pieces in a pan until they're beautifully browned on all sides. This step locks in flavor and adds a nice texture. Next, toss in your chopped garlic, onions, and ginger. Cook them until they become fragrant and soften slightly. Pour in your vinegar, let it reduce for a moment, then add a bit of water or broth. Simmer the pork until it's wonderfully tender, soaking up all those initial flavors. Here's where the magic happens with the blood. Before adding it, make sure to strain your fresh pork blood and whisk it with a little vinegar to prevent immediate coagulation. Slowly pour this mixture into your simmering pork, stirring constantly to ensure it blends smoothly. Continue to cook, stirring occasionally, until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency and achieves that rich, dark hue. You'll see the transformation right before your eyes. Once your dinuguan is thick, flavorful, and perfectly cooked, it's ready to enjoy. The most classic way to serve this dish is alongside a generous portion of steaming hot white rice. It truly complements the rich, savory sauce. Many also love pairing it with fluffy, slightly sweet steamed rice cakes called puto. Whichever way you choose, savor the unique, comforting taste of this incredible homemade Filipino classic. It's a meal that truly nourishes the soul.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.